Sometimes the most powerful solutions in gardening are the simplest ones. Compost teas have earned their place as a go-to for plant revival, microbial boosting, and fast greening of tired crops. But many versions require a long list of ingredients, careful brewing, and plenty of fuss. But what if there was a minimalist option? One ingredient, one powerful result. For those who want to feed their soil without the complexity, this single-ingredient compost tea is a game-changer, and it starts with alfalfa pellets. Alfalfa isn't just for livestock. These tiny, compact pellets are loaded with nitrogen, trace minerals, and an extraordinary compound called triacontanol. This naturally occurring plant growth stimulant works below the surface to trigger microbial activity, boost root development, and accelerate overall plant vitality. When steeped into a simple compost tea, alfalfa becomes a liquid powerhouse that can be absorbed through the roots or leaves. The result is rapid green-up, stronger stems, and better resilience in stressed plants. For container gardeners, balcony growers, and raised bed enthusiasts who want noticeable improvements without hauling or turning compost piles, this tea delivers exactly that. Making the tea is effortless. A handful of alfalfa pellets, water, and patience are all that's required. As the pellets soak, they begin to release nutrients and compounds into the water, transforming it into a rich, earthy liquid filled with biological potential. Unlike other teas that may rot if left too long or require aeration to prevent anaerobic conditions, alfalfa tea stays relatively clean and balanced. It doesn't smell bad, doesn't attract flies, and doesn't require fancy gear. Within 24 to 48 hours, the tea is ready to use, and the garden begins to respond within days. Applied as a soil drench, this compost tea reawakens tired beds by feeding the microbial life directly. Plants begin to perk up, especially those that appeared pale, slow, or stunted. The nitrogen helps with foliage growth, while the trace minerals improve cell function and stress tolerance. But the real magic happens below the surface, where microbes feast on the compounds in the tea and begin multiplying. This underground action creates a more balanced soil food web, inviting earthworms back into the bed and unlocking nutrients that may have been previously inaccessible to plants. Used as a foliar spray, this same tea delivers a direct nutrient boost through the leaves, improving photosynthesis and strengthening the plant's immune response. This is especially helpful for leafy greens, herbs, and flowering plants that need a quick boost after transplanting or during nutrient slumps. The gentle nature of the tea means it won't burn or overwhelm, making it perfect for frequent use during the growing season. For gardeners who prefer to stay organic and natural but still want measurable results, it's hard to beat what alfalfa brings to the table. This minimalist compost tea is more than just a quick fix. It's a reliable, sustainable tool that strengthens the entire garden ecosystem. It simplifies the feeding routine without sacrificing performance, and it proves that sometimes less truly is more. By focusing on one ingredient with multiple benefits, gardeners can reduce inputs while increasing outcomes. If your garden beds are tired, your seedlings are slow, or your containers just aren't thriving, try this one-ingredient alfalfa compost tea and see the difference for yourself. For more soil-smart, plant-boosting tips without the clutter, be sure to subscribe to Botanical Bliss and share this guide with gardeners looking for results without all the hassle. Let nature do the work, beautifully and simply.